guys, today our friends of TCL have sent us this 52-inch ceiling fan. I'll be unboxing it and I'll be showing you what comes included, how to install it, and how it looks. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so inside the box we're going to be included a user's manual. We get included this dimmable LED light. We get included this 5 pieces. This is going to serve to connect the blades to the ceiling fan. We get 5 ceiling blades. This one comes in white, so it's going to look very, very nice. And on the other side, this is kind of like a maple color. We get included a remote control, which is going to allow us to control our ceiling fan from the distance. This ceiling fan does not have a rod. It goes flush. It's going to look very nice. We got 5 of these decoration parts. These are going to go on our ceiling fan blade. Next guys, we actually get included, of course, our ceiling fan motor. And for the installation, we actually get included all hardware. Okay, so there's no need to actually get extra hardware anywhere. Just a couple tools. The installation is very simple. Let's get to it. The next step is to grab this ceiling fan motor and then this bracket. I'll be attaching them together. And once I have this ready, then I'll take this to my ceiling fan mount. Once you finish mounting, it's supposed to look like this. The next step is connecting this module to the electricity to your house wiring. In order to connect this ceiling fan, it's very simple. First, you're going to be connecting this security cable right here. Next step is fitting all the cables and all the wiring inside the bowl and just twist it. We're going to be using these screws that we left at the beginning, so that way it's just easier. Next step is securing this bracket from all 4 sides. As you notice, all screws come pre-installed, so what you're going to do, you're going to make sure that you remove the ones on the edge, okay, not the ones in the center. The next step is actually constructing our ceiling fan blades. We're going to grab these 3 pieces, we're going to put them together, then once we have all 5 ready, we will install them onto our ceiling fan motor. The next step is to install the ceiling fan light. Next step is to install this light cap. Then we twist it and it's already installed. For the remote control, you're going to need AAA batteries. Once you get them installed, then you're going to be able to control your ceiling fan with this remote control. You're going to be able to actually turn off the light and turn it back on. You're going to be able to switch the light mode just by pressing the button to switch the light mode. Okay, you can actually dim the light with the minus button right here, and you can make it brighter with the plus sign. Okay, you can actually turn off the beeping sounds, or I can just press it and turn on the beeps. So this ceiling fan has 6 different speeds. That's speed number 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will also have a timer of 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours. It has also a airwave mode, and also it has a reverse mode. This ceiling fan has a reverse mode. All you're gonna have to do is you just press the reverse mode button, okay? And the ceiling fan will actually start going in reverse. And you can actually do on all different 6 speeds. The looks of the ceiling fan is very modern and very stylish. You can actually put it on any room. It could be a small, medium, or large room. Since it's a 52-inch, it's very versatile. It will go with anything and it will just give a better look. I hope that the information for this TCL 52-inch ceiling fan was helpful. Definitely want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.